No investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Guys, Swayze is here. Hope everyone is well. It's the 26th of the 7th, 2021. It's 12:16 p.m. Just gone lunchtime. And the markets are live. Right, let's have a quick look at BTC. Because it's pretty much doing what I suggested it would be doing after we charted it a while back. And it's doing some interesting moves right now. So let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Anyone that follows me on Twitter, you can see that we've made several charts on BTC of late, and I made a little video on Bitcoin as well a while back. I did it with like a video with gold and with BTC. So we've had to adjust the chart a little bit because it's always very difficult to find exact locations of where price may bounce from. But for the most part, the chart's working out. So far, so good. Now, if we look at BTC, this is the daily chart. Every candle is a day of trading. So if we've back tested it out with BTC, we have this head and shoulders drop. Now, a lot of people were talking about this larger head and shoulders drop. This move may well still be in play, but we have this smaller head and shoulders drop. As we can see, we have the left shoulder from March, the head, the right shoulder from May of this year. Then we had the short squeeze, boom, price sold off. Then came into this pennant triangle, and we had this sell-off. But it appears that price has found support. Now, price has bounced up, broken out of this descending, or this pennant triangle, should I say. Price has broken out. And we've got this key level. So let's just explore this key level because it's very important. So if this is a reversal pattern, right, this is the potential left shoulder which originated from the 9th or a little bit earlier, like early January 2021 of this year, right? So this is the potential left shoulder. So it's so important, this level. That level, the close of that left shoulder is like $40,606.29 to be exact. Okay, now we see that level, since price came into this short squeeze off the smaller head and shoulders drop, boom, as we can see, since May of this year, price has not been able to get over that level. And the level is the left shoulder here. Price has not been able to get over that level. Now, it appears that price is wanting to retest that level. We're currently 11.59% up for the day with Bitcoin. So this is a critical level, because if price can effectively close over that level, that would then make this head and shoulders reversal pattern redundant. And if that pattern is then redundant, does that mean that the buyers are going to look to test these levels above? If this is the macro uptrend channel, right? If we zoom out, look at the bigger picture. If this is the macro uptrend, well, it's telling me, right, that if the buyers are in, Bitcoin's gonna want to test $80,000 a coin at some point in the future, right? That's the big picture. Okay. The things that we need to worry about at the moment is, yeah, it's looking bullish, which is fantastic, right? It's broken out of this pennant triangle. It appears that it's found support off this larger macro lower trend idea. Okay, but before we all get really excited, price needs to effectively test and close over this key level, which is 40,606.29 to be precise. This is the close of the potential left shoulder of this larger head and shoulders. Now, head and shoulders reversal patterns are awesome, right, to know what you're looking at, because they don't need to come to fruition, right? Because if what I'm trying to say is if price closes over this key level, that'll make that redundant. If price can't close over this key level, then the head and shoulders reversal could still be in play. But we've got a few things going on the charts like we usually have. We've got a consolidation zone. So we've got a smaller price bandwidth. We had the pennant triangle, which price is now broken out of, and now prices, the buyers are currently in. looking to test this level above. So this is the big picture idea that I've got. Smaller idea at the minute. We've got this key level which I keep going on about. I'm going to get off that now, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video on how I see BTC moving. If you like the video, please give us a like, a retweet, a share. Really appreciate it because of the algorithms. We teach this system of technical analysis in Swayze's Charts Discord. We usually chart out the FTSE stock, the alternative investment markets, but I've just got an interest in Bitcoin like many other people, and I thought we'd put our charting techniques to Bitcoin and see what it's doing. It's in a larger macro downtrend, as we can see. We've got a touch dominant trend line that we've drawn. So we've got a larger touch dominant trend line. This is how price moves, channels within channels, different structures. We need to decode it, then we can understand what's going on. There's various different levels of resistance and levels of support, but we try and break it down so we can decode what the market makers are actually up to. So if price can break out soon and close over 40,606, then we've got market structure up ahead to like $51,000 a coin, depending on when it might want to break, and that will then be another key level of resistance. All right, so we're watching it really closely. We're seeing whether or not price can get over that magic number of 40,606. Let's see what happens. I'll get this video uploaded, and I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you guys knocking around. Cheers.